Want more sales? Show your product to the right buyer. So you have got the great product, but are you showing it to the right buyers? Are you really? Product targeting ads let you show your ads next to the similar products. This means you are reaching customers already interested in what you are offering. When you target similar products in your campaign, you are speaking directly to the customer in the buying mindset because they are looking that product detail page to buy that product or similar kind of product, and here you will target those products. In product targeting, you must target products who have less star rating than your product and they have higher price point. That way your ad or your product listing will become a better deal for them. And the more relevant your ad, the higher your chances of conversion will be. And if you need help to set up these campaigns, click the link in the pinned comment and let's have a call.